Hi guys, so this morning I just have a quick little haul. It just came in yesterday actually, and I have a couple things to chat about or talk about, like updates, and so any links I have in the description box are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. And the reason I'm saying that is because that's normally what I say, but I also have something here from Diamond Press that I did send free of charge for my review. Of course, all opinions are my own. Just so I can show it to you because I'm not going to have time to make a video of it, and I think it's already slated to go out right now. So this is the, I just want to show it to you really quickly because I think when I have this on my, Autoship manager, I think it was supposed to go out April 2nd, which would have been yesterday. So if you have a chance to keep it or whatever it is that you want to do to manage your auto ship, make sure to check that out. Well, keeping it, you don't have to do anything. Obviously, it's just going to show up. But it's basically the shutter dies for Diamond Press, the Thinking of You set. And I'll show it to you really quickly just so that you have an idea of what it looks like. And then I'll do a video of it, of course. Everything else is stuff that I picked up, that I bought myself. But this was sent for review. So let me open this up real quick just so you have an idea. Oh, that's so cute. This one I was like super looking forward to. Actually, they're all super cute, and then you can mix and matches with that last one with the what's the thing called, with the hot air balloons. It's so cute. So we have like a little rainbow, and it's more than half of a rainbow, so it's gonna go almost that whole circle. And then we have the sun. All these cute little stamps, and of course different ways you can use it, like a rain or shine, and that's all they did on that one. You open it up, you have your little rainbow pieces, something to brighten your day, however you want to use it. I know the basic mechanism, I believe, is still on my Diamond Press. This is from HSN, and I know people are going to ask how to get it. It's an auto ship that we would have signed up for months ago, so there's no way to get into it now. Sometimes they bring things like this back. It'd be very rare, though, because you need the basic mechanism. So if you don't have the basic mechanism, why would, I'm saying, I don't think HSN would bring this back. But you never know, because some people did only get the basic mechanism, right? And they didn't sign up for the auto ship. So I would just keep an eye out. But for right now, this is not available only through your auto ship if you already signed up for auto ship months ago. Super cute. Look at the little umbrella. Oh, my gosh. So I'm looking forward to trying that out for you guys. Again, those are the dies for all of that. The other thing I want to mention is that the butterflies did sell out on HSN, the refill butterflies. If you guys saw the butterfly, it has kind of a weird name, Butterfly Flyer card kit. They had like refills of the butterflies, right? Which I think they sold out because maybe they brought in less of them, but I think they did. But also because you couldn't just put that in any card. You don't have to have, the other set to put the butterfly in. It can be any card that you just pop one in. And they are on mydiamondpress.com now. So one of my gals here let me know, and I was like, oh yeah. So I'll have the link there for you guys if you want to use it. And of course, on mydiamondpress.com, you get your 20% off using my code VCDP. And then they do have free shipping, but it's over a certain amount now. I think it's over $25. Other than that, it's like a $3 or so shipping. But look at this cute little stripe right here. Like, that's so fun for other cards. And then like these little eyeballs. Oh, these are eyeballs, huh? I was like, this eyeballs? It's kind of weird because look at the little sun face here. So I think they're eyes if you want to put that on your sun or however. So of course it comes with the pouches, which I love, and everything, so you can put that away. What I was going to mention is Spellbinders. Somebody had mentioned that they changed their shipping and I should check on that, and I'm like, okay. And I thought maybe they're charging for shipping or something weird about their shipping, or like with the club kits. That's not what it is at all. So I usually mention that whenever you sign up, and that's how it was in the past. I guess they're changing that going forward, starting like now. If you sign up on the 1st, your items would go on the 1st. If you signed up on the 10th, your items would go out, you'd be charged on the 10th next time, and the items would go out. But now they're making it a little more streamlined, because I guess for them, it doesn't really make sense to like every day send out club kits. It's, like Tonic, you have a preview, right, for like 3 weeks if you want to sign up, if you want to skip, or you want to do anything. I'll show you the club kit, and then the next month that club kit goes out. So with Spellbinders, you sign up, you're going to get that club kit for that month of what you're seeing, what I'm showing you, however. And it ships within a couple days or however from when you sign up. And so every month on that same sign-up day, if it was the 7th, you're going to get billed on the 7th, and they're going to ship it out a couple days later. So now they're doing it differently. Like, I was signed up for the 1st. I think they're going to bill me on the 5th, and then it sends out after that. And then other people are like on the 15th, and then after that, you can check it out. But there's still no shipping charge on the club kit. It's just the way they're going to ship out is different now. And I was totally confused about that. I actually was like, what is going on? Why is it saying the 5th? So I canceled it, which was not smart. And then I restarted it because I was like, okay, I'm just going to cancel it because this seems weird. It was all jumbled anyway because I had, I get the glimmer, I don't get the glimmer. I get the stamp. Oh, they sent me the stamp. Okay, I don't need the stamp after all. I'm always down for the small die though. So I just revamped my sign up. So now I'm like, okay, well, we'll see what happens. But I think in the future, if you do sign up on whatever day, they're still going to ship it a couple days later. But then the next time around, they're going to put you on a schedule, So you can contact them for more information. I mean, I don't know everything about it, but that's what it seems like. And now it's going to be buried. Art Impressions has a 25% off that ends on the 4th, Sunday. So all day Sunday tomorrow, 25% off their site, and they have 60% off their clearance. I think this is extra 60, so that's really good. If there's anything left, in the clearance, I would definitely check that out. But 25% off is always great because sometimes their sales are hard to, they're few and far between at times. So I'll have that code in the description box along with the link to get over to Art Impressions if you want to check that out. They have all those fun little things. Oh, I need to get the new little stamps and dies that go with the little rooms. So cute if they're not sold out. Okay. After all that, I did get some stuff in from Spellbinders. And I just want to see because I know they usually put, an invoice in here. Okay. So, oh, yes. Okay, let's look at this together. Oh, so cute. Okay, let me just try to put them in order and what makes sense. So they have some new things, and just, I work with them here and there. It doesn't mean they're going to send me, everything. So I pick up, obviously, what I like still, just like with any other company. So this is the Tina Smith, I don't even know what they call it. It's just like sweets lineup, I guess. I don't know the name of the collection, but I picked up the stamps because the stamps always sell out. Like even the stamps for the Make a Scene, they had sold out. They came back, so I got those, and I'll show you that in a minute. But this sugar-coated sentiments. Maybe it's called sugar-coated something. So I have the little sentiments to go along with like these dies right here. This is the Layer Cake Surprise. Oh, and Spellbinders having buy one, get one, not on these things, but on their like sale items. So you might want to check that out too, if that's something you're interested in. Super cute. Look at the little candle, and it's a fun-shaped candle. I think there's a reason for that. But what you're supposed to do with this, it's kind of like those pull cards, or anyway, you're going to pull the candle basically, and this layer is going to pop out of this layer, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know if you can see that there. It looks like layered up. So when you squish it all down, it's so hard to see. It all goes back down. It looks like almost like a little cupcake, and it just has a little tag. You can have the word pull or whatever. Here's the word pull, and you can put it on the little label if you want. So cute. Oh, I guess this is a better image of it. There you go. I thought that was really adorable. So I grabbed that. And then the Sweet Shop, which I know this is going to be a little bit tedious because they're small. Look at the little cupcakes. But there's a ton. They all cut out at the same time. You get all your wrappers. You get all your little cupcakes. You want to, color them a little bit. I think this is adorable. So it's just like a little like Sweet Shop window basically. And you put on your card or however you want to do that. But look at how cute. Oh my goodness. Adorable. These are actually some of their new embossing folders. Yeah, so I know I reviewed recently the scalloped one, and I really liked it. So I went ahead and I picked up the Plaid Company. And what I like about this one is that I think it's just fun to put in the background and just leave it, just like the way they have it here. It's white. I know it's hard to see there, but it just adds so much. And then you have your little flowers, and we have, at least I do, tons of Spellbinders flowers that we can do that with. And then this one is the sun rays, and I always like these kind of things. So this one's really cute with the dots that radiates in the middle, because you can always put something right in the center or down here. It's just a cute feel. And what's interesting about this one is that they stippled the paper too, so it has the little dots. You can see that, and then the stippling. Pretty cool. Okay, so these are the stamps I finally got for the Make a Scene sentiments. If you haven't seen the videos on Make a Scene, you can check it out. It's one of those kind of things where you open it up and it makes like a scene. That was silly. Anyway, and the one I had reviewed before was kind of like generic sentiments, and then the little bicycle. And then I recently picked up a couple other pieces for myself, like the little gazebo and whatever else. And then I went ahead and picked up these frames. What's interesting about this frame is, for some reason, this one does not get the 10% off like it does on Spellbinders. Everything, if you're a club member, well, almost everything, I should say, gets 10% off. And so the whole collection had the 10% off, but this wouldn't, and it wouldn't, and it wouldn't, and it still doesn't. So I was like, whatever, I'm just going to get it because I want this set. So you can frame out your Make a Scene with this, or you can just use this on a big card because it's like 5x7. size. So you can put it on a card. It doesn't have to be a make a scene card. And so it has this insert, another insert, a cutout frame, a frame, another frame, and another frame. So like, it's just a lot of dies in here. I really like it. So I hope you can kind of see what they have going on there. And as you can see on this one, it's just, she just made like a regular card base with it, you know what I'm saying? And a beautiful flower there. Very easy. So for whatever reason, this is with the make a scene stuff. But again, you can use this outer frame on the very outside of your make a scene. So that's why I grabbed those. And I think that's all I have, guys. I know something came in that was auto ship. I don't recall exactly what it was, and I don't see it right now. So we'll get to it. We'll get to it. It's been a busy week. I haven't had an opportunity come up, and it was just really awesome, but it's not going to come out for a few months. And so I was really kind of focusing on that the last few days. Probably should have been longer than that, but hopefully I'll be able to tell you guys about it soon. And like I said, any opportunity, any success I have is truly because of you guys, and I appreciate you so much. I thank you. Like, just honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate everything. And it'll be fun. I think you guys will think it's fun. So that will be coming out soon-ish. I can't wait to tell you guys about it. That's all. All right, guys. So I think we're heading into a busy week. I hope it's not too hectic for y'all, and kids going back to school and all these different things, and taking care of ourselves. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Okay. Happy Easter tomorrow if I don't see you guys, because it's a busy day. So have a great weekend, y'all. Again, the Art Impressions discount code will be in the description box, along with whatever other links are pertinent to the stuff. And hopefully that preview of the iris helps you kind of decide what you're going to be doing about keeping it. Or, however, if you want to skip it, that's up to you. All right, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.